Thank you for joining me today, and I'm going to be talking about syllables. So, the first thing we're going to do is learn about how to tell how many syllables are in the word. We're not going to be focusing on finding the syllables in a written word, but rather just a spoken word or a picture. So, the first way I'm going to show you how to break up those chunks in a word is by looking and using your chin. So, when I say a word, every time my chin lowers and my mouth opens, that is one syllable. So, for example, in the word eyeball. Now, when I say the word eyeball, my chin comes down 2 times. So watch again. I'll put my hand underneath and it goes eyeball. Now you try. Eyeball. So it comes down 1, 2. So that means there are 2 syllables in the word eyeball. Let's try another word using the same method. The word pumpkin. So if I put my hand underneath my chin and I go pumpkin, I have 2 syllables. Now we're going to try using a different method. This one's a little bit harder, but it's easier to keep track of how many syllables. So it's harder to tell, but it's easier to keep track. We're going to try the word bird. Now we can see with my chin, it comes down 1 time, so bird. This one's called the fist up, pump it up method, and you're going to put a finger up every time a syllable comes out. So bird, that means 1. Let's try another one. Scare crow. I pump my fist 2 times and I put a finger up each time. So scarecrow is how many syllables? 2. Perfect. Now the last one I'm going to show you is the hardest method to recognize because you're not using your chin and you're also not keeping count with your fingers. So once you get better at syllables, this is an easy way, and it's just the clap it out method. So let's try the word candy. So when you're doing candy, you would go candy. You have 2 chunks or 2 syllables. So we'll try again. Candy. And now the last one is apple. So we go apple. How many syllables does it have? 2. So now I want you to pick either one of the 3 methods. You have the chin method, you have the fist pump method, and you have the clapping method. And we are going to do the word wagon. So you try. Pick a method and try it right now. So how many syllables did you get? Let's check it. We can pump it, wagon, with our chin, wagon, or we can clap it, wagon. If you got the answer of 2, then you did it correct. Let's try one more by yourself. The word is leaf. So leaf, leaf, or leaf. Hopefully this helped you practice syllables, and maybe you learned a new way to try it and you want to practice all 3 ways.